Hello, in this video I'm going to be going over the new redesigned schedule for eMedical Notes version 4. To start, let's click on Schedule. If you click on Schedule initially and it comes to a blank screen like this, go ahead and go up to Schedule, Add Schedule, and then add the providers back, and it will put everything back. All the current appointments and stuff from the old schedule are still here. Like I said, if it comes up blank the first time, just go ahead and re-add the schedules and everything should come back up. If not, if there's an issue, obviously give us a call and we'll take a look at it. Okay, to start, this is the new schedule. As you can see, we've redesigned it. We've made it a little bit bigger, hopefully to make it easier for our clients to look at and to read. Let's go into John Doe's chart and create an appointment. All the functionality is the same. There should not be anything missing. So to create an appointment, just click on Create Appointment. You'll see the name of the patient up here in the top right to let you know which patient that you're working with. Go ahead and click on the time. Set the reason. If you want to print a label or if you don't, uncheck. If you do not, keep it checked if you do. Click Save and it'll add the appointment. Up here in the top right corner of the appointment is the same context menu that you used to get if you right-clicked on the patient's name. So here you can create the new case, you can edit the appointment, cancel, confirm, print a label, no-show, delete. You do not have to click on it. If you just hover over it, the menu will come up. To move an appointment, place the cursor on the appointment here. Move it over to the Move Appointment area down here. Click on the new date that you want to set the appointment to. And then when you're done, just drag it over to the new time slot and it moves it for you. If you want to change the schedule settings for each individual, like the times, if they change, you see the little down arrow next to the name. Click on that and then there's schedule settings, which is the same as before. You'll fill out the times, the interval, and then click Save. There's also block day, pretty self-explanatory. Schedule report, which will take you to the appointments. You can either view or print the report from here. It is a brand new schedule printout, which should be neater and nicer than the old one that we used to have. You can also see, if you wanted to see the no-shows or the canceled appointments, you can also remove the schedule. If you remove the schedule, it just takes it away from this screen, which you can always re-add back. You can now, with the new schedule, you can also add your own schedules without calling us. So you would go up here to Menu, Edit Schedules, click on New Entry, give it a name, blood work, for example, description. You can give it any name and just make it active and save entry. Go back to the schedule. It will not initially be here. You will have to select it. And once you do, you can just go in there, go to schedule settings, set the times, and click save. This is the demo. The times aren't loaded. I do apologize for that. But in your working system, there will be times that you can set. You can also edit the appointment types from here and change the colors. We do recommend that you color the appointments to make it easier to distinguish on the new schedule. Scroll to is a new function that we added for practices that have a lot of schedules. The scroll to will just mean that instead of continuously scrolling down on the right down here to keep going to the schedules, you can just do scroll to and it'll take you to that schedule. So you won't have to keep scrolling down to get there. That is actually pretty much about it. It's pretty self-explanatory. If there is anything wrong or the schedule is not functioning correctly, please give us a call and let us know. Thank you.